Hi, I'm Gregor Hlenda. I'm a commercial photographer based in New York. What sets me apart from other photographers? I think it's creative problem solving and an incredibly hard work ethic.
So pull up a little.
The production value of a shoot is really important to me. I'm super controlled and I'm a very tight, precise photographer. And it was really interesting for me, the idea of shooting and taking the precision that I have as a still life photographer on location and letting that element of chance that happens anytime you're on location as being another element, another problem to solve. New York is edgy, gritty. We want to have something that's like that.
They want the cab right next to the bike, like how you are. Copy that, you got it.
It's not so much that I want to hang out of the back of a car. It's more that I know that the best shot I could possibly get is going to be with the camera 2 inches off of the pavement at 70 miles an hour. It just so happens that the best way to do that is to wear a climbing harness, hang off the back of the car, and lower the camera down and let it skate off of the ground.
Turn on shadow fill and just turn it off again.
I love solving problems. I love difficult assignments. I love challenges. And I enjoy working really hard to get the shots. We looked at a couple of locations. We found something. We didn't have a lot of space, so we decided to maybe add some elements that could tie into other aspects of the shoot that would develop the storyline for the shoot and simultaneously be interesting and unique shots. And that was the idea of, wouldn't it be fun to get a car and drive over the car with the motorcycle? Why not get a taxi? And it was pretty surprising how fast the producer was able to produce a taxi and get it to the location. They didn't ask for that. They had no idea. It was above and beyond their expectations that we would produce all of this, and the next level is, get really good images from that. And for a French company that wanted to shoot in New York, to shoot a rider wearing their helmet, doing a burnout on the roof of a taxi with the Empire State Building underneath the wheels, we kind of brought it all together. So that was pretty good.